In 2024, generative AI is at the forefront of innovation, revolutionizing industries and transforming our daily lives. It's changing how we create, interact with, and even think about technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This comprehensive roadmap will guide you step by step to becoming an AI engineer specializing in generative AI, one of the most exciting fields today. You'll learn the essential skills, tools, and technologies needed to excel in this field, from foundational concepts to cutting-edge techniques. Get ready to build a future powered by AI, where your innovations can lead to groundbreaking advancements. This roadmap is your guide to mastering generative AI, providing you with a clear path to success. We'll start with the basics, ensuring you have a solid understanding, and then progress to more advanced concepts and applications. You'll learn by doing, with hands-on projects and real-world applications that will prepare you for the challenges and opportunities in the AI industry. Our journey begins with understanding the foundations of AI and machine learning, the building blocks of generative AI. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together, exploring the limitless possibilities that AI has to offer. Get ready to unlock the potential of generative AI and shape the future of technology, making a lasting impact on the world. Before diving into generative AI, we need a strong foundation. This foundation is crucial for understanding the complexities and nuances of advanced AI systems. This phase covers the basics of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are the building blocks that will enable you to grasp more sophisticated topics later on. You'll understand how these technologies work and their significance in today's world. From healthcare to finance, AI and ML are transforming industries. We'll also introduce deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning that drives many generative AI models. Deep learning uses neural networks with many layers to analyze various types of data. Programming is essential for any AI engineer. It allows you to implement algorithms and bring your AI ideas to life. You'll learn Python, a popular language for AI development. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners and experts alike. We'll cover Python basics, data structures, and control flow. These are fundamental concepts that will help you write efficient and effective code. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib will become your go-to tools for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. These libraries simplify complex tasks and make your code more powerful. Finally, we'll explore fundamental machine learning algorithms. These include linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees. Each algorithm has its own strengths and applications. Understanding these algorithms will give you a solid base for tackling more complex concepts later on. With this knowledge, you'll be well prepared to delve into the world of generative AI and beyond. Deep learning is revolutionizing AI, transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. In this phase, we'll delve into the heart of deep learning, exploring its core principles and methodologies. You'll understand how neural networks, inspired by the human brain, learn from data, adapting and improving through experience. We'll cover different network architectures, activation functions, and optimization techniques, providing a comprehensive understanding of how these elements work together. TensorFlow and PyTorch are leading deep learning frameworks, each offering unique features and capabilities for model development. You'll learn how to use these frameworks to build, train, and evaluate deep learning models, gaining hands-on experience with real-world applications. We'll start with simple models and gradually progress to more complex ones, ensuring a solid foundation before tackling advanced topics. Get ready to build your first deep learning models. This journey will be both challenging and rewarding. We'll start with image classification using convolutional neural networks, a fundamental task in computer vision. Then, we'll move on to natural language processing tasks like sentiment analysis using recurrent neural networks, exploring how machines understand and interpret human language. These projects will give you practical experience in applying deep learning to real-world problems, preparing you for a future in AI and machine learning. This is where the excitement begins. We'll explore generative AI, a fascinating field where AI creates new content. You'll learn how these models generate images, text, music, and more, Get ready to unleash your creativity. We'll start by understanding different types of generative models. You'll learn about autoencoders, variational autoencoders, and generative adversarial networks. Each model has its strengths and weaknesses, and we'll explore their applications. Get ready for a hands-on project. We'll build a generative adversarial network model to generate realistic images. You'll learn how to train the generator and discriminator networks to create new images that resemble a given dataset. Section 5, Phase 4, Mastering Advanced Generative Models. In this phase, we'll dive deeper into the world of generative AI. We'll explore advanced models like transformers, which have revolutionized NLP. You'll learn how these models capture long-range dependencies in text and generate high-quality text. We'll also cover advanced NLP techniques, including sentiment analysis, text summarization, and machine translation. You'll learn how to apply these techniques using pre-trained models and fine-tune them for specific tasks. Get ready for another exciting project. We'll use Hugging Face or OpenAI APIs to leverage pre-trained generative models. You'll choose a project based on your interests, like building a chatbot, generating creative writing, or composing music. Section 6, Phase 5, Bringing Generative AI to Life. Generative AI is not just about research, it's transforming industries. In this phase, we'll explore real-world applications of generative AI. From healthcare to finance, entertainment to design, the possibilities are endless. You'll learn how to deploy your generative models, making them accessible to others. We'll cover cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP, which offer resources for deploying and scaling AI models. You'll also learn about APIs, allowing other applications to interact with your models. For our final project, we'll deploy a generative model on the cloud. This could be an image generation API, a chatbot service, or any other application you've built throughout the roadmap. Section 7, Phase 6, Exploring Cutting-Edge Research. The field of generative AI is constantly evolving. New research papers and models are released regularly. This phase focuses on staying ahead of the curve by exploring the latest advancements in generative AI. We'll delve into research papers from top conferences like NeurIPS, ICML, and ICLR. You'll learn about novel architectures, training techniques, and applications of generative models. This phase encourages you to think critically, analyze research trends, and identify potential areas for future exploration. Section 8, Phase 7, Building Your Generative AI Portfolio. Having a strong portfolio is key to showcasing your skills and landing your dream AI job. In this phase, we'll focus on building a portfolio that highlights your generative AI expertise. Your portfolio should include a variety of projects showcasing your skills in building, training, and deploying generative models. Choose projects that align with your interests and demonstrate your ability to solve real-world problems. Document your projects clearly, explaining the problem, your approach, and the results. Include code repositories and demos to showcase your work to potential employers. Section 9, Phase 8, Landing Your Dream AI Job. You've acquired the skills, built a portfolio, and now it's time to land your dream AI job. This phase guides you through the job search process and provides tips for acing your interviews. We'll explore different job roles in generative AI, including AI engineer, research scientist, and data scientist. You'll learn how to identify companies working on exciting generative AI projects that align with your interests. We'll also cover interview preparation, including common technical questions, behavioral questions, and tips for showcasing your passion and enthusiasm for generative AI. Section 10, Conclusion: Shaping the Future with Generative AI. Congratulations! You've completed the roadmap and are well on your way to becoming a generative AI expert. You've gained a deep understanding of AI, ML, DL, and generative models. You've built impressive projects, explored cutting-edge research, and are ready to contribute to this exciting field. As you embark on your AI journey, remember to never stop learning. The field is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest advancements is crucial. Embrace collaboration, share your knowledge, and contribute to the responsible development and deployment of generative AI. The future of technology is in your hands, and the possibilities are limitless.